Why does Earth look like a brilliant, shining marble in space? It's because of water. Water covers 71% of the surface of the Earth. Water is necessary for all life to exist. Without water, life would cease. Water not only can give life, but it can take it too. 2.2 billion people lack access to safe water, and each year as many as 3.5 million people die from water-related illnesses. But it doesn't have to stay that way. At MAI, we don't drill wells. We think there's a better way, teaching people how to take dirty water and make it safe to drink through solar disinfection, construction of cheap, efficient sand filters, and how to protect water sources and more. No fancy, expensive equipment is needed. No expert mechanical knowledge is required. Anyone can do it. Why do we do this? So that women, children, and men can have safe, clean water in order to live healthier lives. We hope you'll decide to join us in this great cause. Check us out on our website, visit us on Facebook and Instagram, or email us at info@medicalambassadors.org to learn how you can make a difference.